Good morning, students. Today, again, the remaining of the social studies chapter which I will complete. I hope you all remember what I taught you in the previous class, the rules how to be safe in the house, in the school, and on the road. And what was the name of the chapter? The name of the chapter was Safety Around Us. So let's take one point at a time. Safety rules at school. What are the rules that you must follow in school? Anyone can tell me any of the points? Okay, let me tell you. First point is you should never ever stand on the desk. What will happen if you stand on the desk? You might slip down and hurt yourself because those are the wooden hard objects. Next, you should never shout in the class. That's a very big thing to do in school. It shows indiscipline. Next comes, you should always follow an orderly manner to climb up the stairs when you're going to your class. Laboratories, yes, there are many harmful chemicals which you have to be careful and always use them under the supervision of the laboratory teacher. You should always greet your teachers with respect, and you should never ever bully anyone who is weaker than you. It shows very bad sign of misbehavior. Next comes, you should never accept any gifts, any toffees or chocolates from the strangers. Okay, now we will see how to be safe on the road. Previously I told you there are vehicles and many other things to be safe. Now let's take it in details. You should always use a zebra crossing to cross the road. Wait for your turn to board the school bus. Stand in the queue. You should not push or pull the student standing in front of you or behind you. Now this picture shows how they must cross the road. When you're crossing the road, you must look to your left, to your right, and then again to your left before crossing the road to see any vehicles coming or not. If there are no vehicles, then you can easily cross the road. Follow the traffic rules and be safe. There are some meanings with the lights which you see on the traffic post. Red, which means stop, yellow means wait, and when the light turns green, you are supposed to move. Now there are few traffic signs which you see on the poles to make you understand what to do. This sign shows and tells you about to stop. You should stop whenever you see this sign. Next comes school ahead. What happens when the school ahead? You will understand that there is a school here and you should be silent and use as much as possible less of the horn. Now the next comes is use the zebra crossing to cross the road. You can see the black image in between the red border. Okay, thank you students.